Hello Siddhappa and welcome to my channel Complementary Economics, and today's class is about common sense. Let's see the question. The question is, the statistical methods are no substitute for common sense. Please explain with an example. This is one of the 4-mark question. It is absolutely true that statistical methods are no substitute for common sense. Statistical data should not be believed blindly. Usually, sometime when we read any data, we adopt any kind of a mean median mode to anything. So we just use sometime blindly, as they can be misinterpreted. At the same time, it can be misused. The statistical data may involve personal bias also, or may be subjected to manipulation. People usually, for their own use, they manipulate the data, otherwise they go some kind of partiality in it for one's own selfish motives. For my own selfish motives, sometime I manipulate the data. Personally, I'm going to bias with something else. Moreover, the statistical data and methods fail to reveal the errors. The statistical data, methods, whatever methods we are going to use, we always maximum time we get fail to reveal the errors committed by the investigator who collects the data. The data is collected by the investigator. The person who collects the data, that person is called investigator. The investigator who is going to collect the data, sometime he'll not reveal what errors he has done. Each and every individual are advised to use their common sense while working with statistical data. So that's the reason why the question goes with, you have to use your common sense whenever you're going to use any kind of statistical methods. So now we can understand this with the help of a story, because the question demands for a story. So let's talk about this. This is a story of one of the statistician who wanted to cross the river with his family, but did not know how to swim. There were 4 people in the family. He, his wife, his 2 kids, all 4 of them, they don't know how to swim. He knew the average depth of the river to be 125 centimeter. The average depth of the river is 125 centimeter. So his own height is 175 centimeter. His wife height 152 centimeter, and his children measured 120 centimeter. 2 children whom he is having. So one children, first kid height is 120 centimeter, another kid height is 90 centimeter respectively. In height, he calculated the average height of his family. The average height of his family, by adding these all 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the average height of his family is 134 centimeter. And the depth of the river is 125. So 134 is greater than the 125. So he thought. So he is found family and found it to be around 134 centimeter. He analyzed that the average depth of the river was lesser than the average height of his family, and what he concluded, that they all could cross the river safely on foot. So what they started doing is, he checked the average height of his family, 134, and he thought that we can cross it very easily by the foot. This completely reversed, and 2 of his children drowned in the water. So because their height is lesser, their height lesser than the river height what they have. So in this case, by this example, what it proves, that the common sense must be used while applying statistical tools. He and his wife, they can cross it easily, but his 2 children, in this case, you cannot find out the average height. You have to see their own individual height, not the average height. By seeing this, what we got to know is common sense is really very important when you're going to use any statistics for any methodology. Thank you so much. I hope you understood the topic. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.